this is Jenny to show you how to draw neatly. In this mode, 3D guides and strokes will get corrected immediately, or you can hold it for a while to adjust it more accurately in the way you want. Tap the draw icon again and you can change to draw neatly. Draw almost like a straight line and it will become perfectly straight immediately. Hold on to the pen for a while and change the direction of the stroke with the starting point fixed. Draw almost like a circle and it becomes a perfect circle. Hold on and you can change the radius. The center point is fixed. Also, you can draw a circle starting from the center point as you see and slide the pen to decide the size. Draw like an oval and it becomes a perfect oval immediately. Hold on and you can change the radius too. Lastly, you can also draw curved strokes, which will be corrected more smoothly and neatly. Hold still for a while and change the curvature by sliding the pen. Thank you for watching the video and please follow us for more tips and news about Feather. See you!